As you see in the title today, I'll be doing Bawal tutorial. It's been requested for a long time and finally it's here. I hope this video helps you and enjoy! First of all, you need to have a short and also a long side and pin your bawal as usual. Take the long side of the bawal and then go on top of your head, then to the front. And pin it with a pin. To make it secure, I'll pin both sides of my shoulder with safety pins. To make sure your bawal doesn't go around, I'll put a pin on top of my head. And you're done with the first style! Make sure to have both sides are the same length. Take the back side of your bawal and then put it on top of your head. Take the right side of the bawal and just put it at the back. Expand the left side of the bawal to cover up the chest, then connecting them at the back with a safety pin. To make my bawal secure, I'll put a pin on top of my head. And you're done with the second style. Again, having the both sides are the same length, take the right side of the bawal and go to the left side. And then pin them there. Take another pin and pin it on your left side, and it shows a bit of flowy look on your bawal. Take your left side of your bawal, then wrap it around your neck to the front. Now using a safety pin to make sure it stays in place. Lastly, to secure your bawal with a pin on top of your head. Third style done! Again, make sure to have both sides are the same length. Then just fold it a bit, the middle part of the bawal from the top to the front. Then secure them with a pin. Taking the right side of the bawal, wrap it around your neck to the front like so. And again, expand the left side of your bawal to cover up your chest. Finally, secure them with a safety pin. I take another safety pin to make sure that part of the bawal doesn't move around. Last but not least, to secure your bawal with a pin on top of your head. Finally, fourth style is done! Thanks for watching. See you next time. Assalamualaikum.